Hey everybody, thanks for dropping in. In today's episode, we are doing a follow-up to the Nintendo Switch of Doom. No, I don't know what to call it, man. It was really messed up. It really burns me up how quote-unquote shops will do or attempt repairs that they know darn well they can't flip and finish. But anyhow, as you can see, the glob of solder's gone. All the little resistors and stuff are where they belong. The BQ chip is in place. The charge port looks much better. There actually ended up being a total of 9 jumper wires I had to do. If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be on the Instagram because it's ridiculous. I want to show the magnitude of ridiculous damage that was done. I really feel the client should try to get their money back from that other shop. But anyhow, without rambling on too much, I got the port replaced. I restored all the pads before putting it in. I got that chip back in place, replaced all the little missing components down there that were missing. Plugged in the tester board. The M92 chip tested bad, replaced that. I was able to get power. It does charge, or it shows charging, I should say, but it's going to need more work. So starting with, I'll just plug it in. So plug it in. Freaking light. See, so obviously the light comes on, then it does what it's supposed to. It does the turbo, supposedly does the turbocharge. It boots up. It thinks it's charging. See, it actually did go up 1%. It was at 70 earlier. But anyhow, all day it's been charging down. I had it on the client's battery, and it never did the fast charge or any of that because the battery was dead to begin with. And I thought the battery itself was bad, but then when I plugged in and tested with the house battery, we see what's really going on. It says it's charging, but it's not. But I mean, shoot, for what was wrong with it, whew, it works for the most part. But this is a follow-up. There is pretty much most definitely going to be a part 3 to this. Kind of took it on as like a personal challenge. I honestly didn't have much hope for it, but I wanted to try. I really wanted to help the client. So I'm glad I've gotten this far, but I just want to be able to wrap it up for them and get it fully functional with no catches. So that's it. Thanks for dropping in and checking out today's episode, y'all. Steve with SBL Games, signing out.